Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I still have Chase with me here, and today we're going to be playing, drumroll please Chase, would you press the button?
Didn't you already say that?
Okay, if I did, then whatever. Okay, Chase, you read this one.
Would you, would you press the button, you will, if you will instantly win,
I think that's $10 trillion.
$10 trillion, but you will have to shoot a baby in the head while he's watching you.
What does that mean? No. Well,
Wait, no.
That's hard.
No.
I know, but
No.
were we right? Okay. Yeah, we were. Wait, no. Wait, hold a sec. Oh, no, we were right.
Yeah.
Okay, will you press the button if, say, anyone from the brink of death, but a random person dies in their place? It's hard. Let's see. Yes.
Did we get it? Yes.
Yeah, we got it. Okay. Will you press the button if you become the ninja of your school, but you lose your best friend because of it?
Oh,
No.
What?
Oh, we were wrong. We should do something where we have to, eat something bad if we get the question wrong or something.
Like you have to eat some asparagus? No, just kidding.
No, yeah, that would be bad. What's something we both hate?
We could get some, the Boozled jelly beans.
No, those are too disgusting. Like a food that we both hate. Oh, beets.
Oh, yeah.
Will you press the button if you become the most attractive person on Earth, or you see yourself as a hideous monster in the mirror? But you see yourself as a hideous monster.
I'll be fine with
That'd be fine with me, because what if you're just looking at the mirror yourself, not anyone else? Oh my god.
What the heck?
Stupid ads.
Oh.
Okay. Next. I think we got it right.
Yeah, we did.
Will you press the button if you get $10 every time you poop, but you have to poop it out first?
Yeah.
But you have to poop the money out. Every time you poop, but you have to poop the money out. That's gonna be painful and get a lot of paper cuts. Oh, that's a hard one. Let's see what yes. We got it right.
Oh my god.
Will you press the button if your body becomes living stone, never needing to eat, sleep, or drink, but you can never touch water?
Sure. Wait, I wouldn't be able to.
You won't be able to swim.
We wouldn't be able to go in our pool. Aren't we made of water?
We are made of water, but no.
What?
Oh crap!
Oh,
dang
we
it!
got that right, didn't we?
No, this is 2,000. This is 4,000. Oh my god! But you could never touch water. Why would people do that? Then you could swim, but I guess they just want to be immortal or something. Okay, will you press? Oh, this one's long. Will you press the button if your crush or crushes immediately falls in love with you and dates you, and you get kissing, cuddling, or anything you desire, but they also punch you in the face once a day to show their affection, and you can never leave the relationship? What? That's weird.
What was that all about?
Let's see what yes is.
Oh,
yes. Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, let's stop here. Bye, guys.